Shlomo Nimrodi. Thanks for coming all the way from Israel. Thank you very much.
Highcon wants to set the brands free. How we do that? Highcon technology, proprietary technology and solution can do some very simple but incredibly important things for you. Let me name them one by one. The first one, we can digitally die cut without waiting for conventional tooling. By the way, you can see some things in the background while I'm talking. No minimal order quantity, faster, and guess what? Greener. Two, while we can do most of the things that analog can do, we can do slightly better with complex and intricate cuts that are effectively impossible or impractical with traditional tools. What does that mean? We enable new opportunities like never before for designers and brand owners to differentiate themselves in the marketplace. Number three, important one, we can enable the use of lightweight boards because we're using lasers, so we do not crush the paperboard. That means two things. It means less carbon footprint, and it means lower cost. And last but not least, thanks to the laser technology, we produce the most amazingly reliable and easy opening mechanisms, eliminating the consumer's traditional battle with the zipper and delivering a great unboxing experience. Speaking of unboxing the future, no pun intended.
I think we have a film that shows us
you have a short
great
video.
Unboxing experience that's possible. AI, please roll the film.
5 minutes production of digital die. Any complexity you have in mind. The magic of using laser to cut precise cuts in a very high speed.
Wow, amazing. Can you explain us more in
Thank
detail
you.
what benefit? Yeah, you can applaud, please. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. I bet they can already see the benefits, but can you still explain some more?
I am sure there are plenty of them that haven't yet, so.
New possibilities,
Yeah,
absolutely.
so digitally cutting and creasing corrugated boards, packaging and displays with Highcon systems is the way of the future. However, it's here today. Because together Highcon, BHS and Schumacher were inspired by the vision of a completely end-to-end digital workflow. This in turn opens up a wide range of new possibilities for you, Schumacher customers.
Thank you very, very much for coming and giving us an insight in this new technology. Please come.